Paro Ninja.
Hello everyone, this video is regarding on how to test an account engagement form handler before taking it live. So form handlers are an alternative to hosted forms that you create in account engagement. You can use a form handler to integrate your third party or custom forms and track submission data. So you can use a form handler instead of a hosted form when you want to completely control the look and feel of your forms, host form submission data to more than one database, integrate account engagement with your existing forms, or use a third-party form. So in this video, I'll be using a sample org that I created, and I pre-built a form handler. So this is just a test form handler. So sometimes you will need to test this. For testing it, you can like click on, or you can use the endpoint URL. Just go to. Oh, by the way, before you go there, you can see the form handler under the content tab. Go to form handlers on the left side and pick the form handler that you want to test. So in some scenarios, you would have like multiple form handlers, so you just need to select which one you would be testing, and then clicking on the HTTPS on the endpoint URL. Just make sure that's the one that you use for testing, the one for HTTPS. So what? Just copy this one. Right. So once you copy the HTTPS backslash and then like a question mark. So the question mark like ends the URL, and then as you can see on my form handler, I have 4 fields: email, first name, and last name are standard fields, and then I created one submission date as a custom field just to also have an example of a custom field being tested. So for the fields, just make sure the one that account engagement will look at is the exact meaning of the field. So if it's first underscore name, that should be the one that you will be entering on the top. Then last name underscore, and then submission underscore date. Okay. So for my testing, I'll just sample testing. So email equals, and then the email that you want. And then and or the ampersand, and then first underscore name, then my name, say Mark, then last underscore name, let's say Harold, and the last field again. So we're just gonna repeat the same procedure. Submission underscore date, and then date would be 7 9. So once you're done, just click on enter. So you will see this because we did not have a success page. As you can see, it's only your URL. But if you refresh your page, you should be able to see the new prospect that came in if it's correct. So as you can see, I have Mark Harold now, and I'm sure that my form handler is working as I expected. Then of course, just check on the fields if it's correctly populated. So in my case, I have the custom field. The first name